Christmas build, and today we have the Tomei exhaust that Alexandra got me for Christmas. And go ahead and get to it and explain everything as we go through. Alright, so the bolts were exchanged just to remove all the exhaust hangers, and it's the front. And the next part will be to take those off. Once I get those off, here is the janky welded, and it's a good thing we're changing it out because the side of life. Start this up.